switched off. The sound of the V8 engine, the car that won twice in 2013. Pascal Wehrlein in the wheel. Put your hands together, please, ladies and gentlemen, for the Mercedes-AMG Driver's Car. Oh, fantastic. Look at this little guys. Come on, Pascal.
He's just doing laps of honour. Maybe we should race him with the Mexican wave.
Yeah, what wins, the wave or the car? I think the car wins.
Okay, as we say farewell to Pascal and the Mercedes down there. I'm going to give you an insight onto who did what earlier today. We're going to have the overall results from the Skills Challenge. That was Skills Challenge down there, where we saw our drivers go in and out and over the cones.